Today I'm going to show you another simple woodworking project that I have sold over 100 of. It all starts with this board. It's an old piece of black walnut. I would be using my other saw, but it's just a little bit too wimpy. We're going to start by cutting 12-inch sections. Then using the table saw, we'll rip all of them down to 2 3/4. All right, now we got 28 pieces of black walnut, but most of them aren't the right thickness, so we're gonna have to sort some of them out. But now we're left with 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19
pieces of wood that we can make spatulas out of. Well, there we go. We got all 19 marked out. And if you don't want to trace every single one out, I'll put a link in the description to a template. But now we gotta go cut all of these out on a bandsaw. But before we cut it out, we gotta fix something. Now we're going to take every one of these spatulas and we're going to make each of the ends curve up. Now we're going to cut that out. There we go. Now we just got to do that 18 more times. For the sake of this video, I only finished up sanding 10 of these spatulas. But now we're going to give them all a massage with 220 grit. And then we'll give them a massage with 600 grit. All I do to sell these things is go on Word, make a sign, put the sign on a mason jar, stick the spatulas into the mason jar. Now, of course, not everybody's gonna have rough cut black walnut just laying around, but I've also made these spatulas out of oak and poplar. All I do is put this jar up at a local country store, and then I just sell them just like that. I hope this video inspired you to go out and make something in your shop. YouTube really thinks you'll like this video popping up screen right here, and check out my woodworking playlist. I'll put that right here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all next time.